झेडपी स्कूल वराड बुद्रुक जळगाव. क्रिएटेड बाय पौर्णिमा फेगडे. स्टँडर्ड 4th रिडल्स पेज नंबर 3. I am big and flat. I hang on the wall. The teacher writes on me for all. Blackboard. I show the months and the days. I help you to plan in many ways. Flip my pages date by date. I tell you what's early and late. Calendar. I have 4 legs, but I do not run. You sit on me when the lessons begin. Chair. I stand on 4 legs and hold the books. Table. I go tick-tock the whole day long. I help you know where hours belong. I have 2 hands but never clap. I can run but never walk. Clock. I am round like a ball. I show earth big and small. Countries and oceans I show you. Globe. Thanks.